Okay, so we are going to divide 2x minus 1 into 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 10x plus 3. Yeah? So, let me get this right. It is divide, multiply, subtract. And I think you just repeat, but we'll figure that out as we go along. So the first step is to divide. So what we do is we divide the first term inside by the first term outside. So we're dividing 6x cubed by 2x. So do you know what that gives us?
3x squared.
Good. So now I always keep my lines, so I put my squares over my squares and under my squares, do you know what I mean? But you don't have to, it's just me being pedantic.
Yeah.
So that's the divide part. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Next part. The next part is multiply.
Yeah, so you're multiplying that again to get the same thing and then you cross it out.
Yeah, so you multiply that 3x squared that you just got.
Yes.
By
2x again.
And this.
Oh, okay.
Right. So 3x squared by 2x is?
X squared cubed.
So 2 by 3 is?
3 is 6. 6x cubed.
There you go. And then 3x squared by minus 1?
Minus 3x squared.
Good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Next thing is subtract.
Yeah, so you're taking, then you get 2x squared.
Yeah, so no, hang on. So we have to subtract the line, which means this we subtract. Yeah, I'll do it in red maybe. This we subtract.
Yeah.
The other one is minus minus. So it's actually going to be a plus.
Yeah.
Yeah? So essentially that subtract line, what you do is you change the signs.
Okay.
So if it is a minus, it'll become a plus. And if it's a plus, it'll become a minus. And then that will cancel. So when we subtract, we cancel.
Yeah.
And then, sorry, they're connected. And then you add. So in this case, it is 5x squared plus 3x squared, which is?
8x squared.
8x squared. And then to finish off, you bring down. So you bring this down.
Yeah.
And it joins the 8x squared.
Yeah.
That all right?
Yep.
Okay. Then we go back up to the top. So I'm just going to take these colours off for a sec. Okay. Again, we start in the same way. So we divide the 2x on the outside by the first thing on the inside, which is now 8x squared.
Mm-hmm.
So what's 2x divided into 8x squared, or 8x squared divided by 2x? 4. Yep. So it is a plus 4x.
Yeah.
And then I take my plus 4x and I multiply it out here. So
which is 8x squared.
8x squared, and then
you multiply by minus 1.
Yep, so that gives us?
Minus 4x.
Good. Right, so we did divide, we did multiply. Next?
You change the signs on the bottom.
So the 8x squared will become a minus, which will cancel. And the minus 4
become
a plus. So, second last step then is add, yeah.
Minus 6x.
Good. And then we
bring down the 3.
Bring down our plus 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then back to the start. So
we'll call it's minus 3.
It is minus 3 up on top. Then we take our minus 3 and multiply. So what does that give us?
So it gives us minus 6x.
Yes.
And then it gives us plus 3.
Yeah. Plus 3. Next step.
And then you change signs and then everything cancels out and you get 0.
Yep. Change the sign. So that's a plus. And then this becomes a minus. They cancel out. And it worked.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that awful or is that okay?
It's fine.